Here are 5 ways to use the Samsung Z Flip. Camcorder mode can be enabled by folding the Samsung Flip 90 degrees while in the camera app, which adjusts the UI to feel more like an old school video camera. This also gives you better grip than you would get holding an ordinary smartphone. The cover screen lets you answer or decline phone calls. Once you're in a call, you can angle the phone to be closer to your mouth and ear. When you're done, you can close the phone to instantly hang up on the other person, which is perfect for dealing with those annoying or unwanted phone calls. Multi-window lets you have 2 applications open at the same time and can be split down the middle where the screen folds. One great use of this is being able to watch YouTube while you browse another app. You can replicate the feeling of a Game Boy Advance or other handheld device and use your choice of Android emulator to play retro games on the phone. The cover screen can be used in a few different ways to keep you efficient. Swipe down on the cover screen to bring up quick settings for things like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and sound. To make your experience more unique, you can personalize the cover screen's widgets and layout. This is excellent for being able to see frequently needed information. Close the phone and press the lock button 2 times quickly to automatically launch the camera. You can then tap on the cover screen to take a photo or swipe to go into video.